How to fix Telegram app not working. And if you have any problem with your Telegram, this video is gonna help you. First thing, go to the settings, go to the apps manager, open the apps like that, scroll until you find Telegram and click on it. First stop the app, and after that go to the data usage, and then all what you want to do next is very simple. Just disable the roaming data and the background data, and enable the Wi-Fi and the mobile data. Go back into the settings and then click on the wireless and networks. Enable the airplane mode right here, and after 1 minute just disable it and restart your mobile phone. So that's it guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this video.